looking at wood. Anyway.
Sorry, audience. I've stopped the video by accident by throwing you. Now climb up. We're gonna die! Ah!
Go on!
I need your hand!
Wait,
Other hand.
Go on!
I got it.
Oh god. The wind.
The deep blue sea. We made it, folks. We've made it.
Oh boy.
Indeed.
Yes.
Fine.
Now we sit here with a slightly puzzled expression on our
As all
face.
the doom clouds pass through.
Oh, still a bit more.
Oh, yeah. Go dry on the dreaded Reno board of Boom.
Oh boy.
Here we go. Alright, audience, we go down the slide.
Okay. Just hang off this, I guess. Holding you.
Alright, audience, let's do this. This is called Children's Stream. Yeah!
Yeah! We are rocking away now.
Exactly. The clouds are bright.
Oh boy. Only those guys are still like running at us and we're like running to attack them. Oh boy. Oh boy. That's gonna be fun.
This wind is probably really noisy, guys.
Oh yeah, sorry. I'm gonna block it.
Holy crap, yeah. Let's hope it's not loud in the video.
Yeah. Sorry, audience.
It's not our fault, I promise. We're not like summoning the wind.
Yeah, the magic school bus is probably doing it.
Probably at times to do that.
Yeah, no.
Martina! Will attack you.
You'll get stuck. Look, Martina.
Are those yellow poles?
They're very evil. But not the red ones. The red ones are...
Whoa!
See?
What are you doing?
This is Martina's worst enemy, the dreaded pole. See how invisible they are when they blend in with the rocks. But the red poles, oh, the red poles, they are very nice.
Yeah.
And as they climb,
Yeah.
Peter, we climb.
Oh, yes.
Deviously. The yellow poles is a very devious thing. You have to work with the medicine, as in...
Indeed.
And then you climb simply on the red poles.
Don't press the button. Press the button. I think you pressed it.
Oh, I didn't. That's good. It's all good, audience. Peter's gonna climb now. As he climbs...
Oh, you made it slippery there.
I'm sorry. The rain was very evil.
Oh, thank you.
Okay. This is a very spooky slide that says, no climbing.
Oh, see.
We made a little nasty in the pasty. Alright, Peter. Deviously. Flying dishes. Never mind.
Fix my pants.
That's in your pants.
Yes.
Wind, you're probably being very noisy.
I got a nice little backrest here.
War. Yeah. It works just like one. Yeah. I'm proud of you.
Oh, thank you.
Ah, you're such a dear. No, I can't wait. The clouds will grow evil. When the wind's probably still loud with you guys. I'm trying hard not to make this noisy. It's probably going to be very noisy, though. There's where we were. And we now travel far and wide on the deep roads. And ended up on the Cradown of Doom. A.K.A. Martina's enemy of the Slinky Slide. Ooh! The Slinky Slide! We will now demonstrate, Peter, the Slinky Slide.
Okay.
Let's do it. Alright, folks, we're gonna jump down.
Yep.
Oh! Oh, they do. Okay. Okay. Oh, God. Yo, I don't know what you're doing. God. Oh, Oh, he's firing off an arm! I think he's gonna die!
Yeah, I'm just gonna fucking off.
Alright, folks. Watch out. He pulled up and we died.
Oh no.
Alright. The Slinky Slide.
Dun dun dun!
Yeah. Alright. Shall we climb up?
I guess we should.
Alright.
I'll push you up.
Thank you. You're such a dear.
Oh boy.
Alright, can't wait.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, fine, folks. Very easily. I, myself, am now climbing through the depths of the fire tunnel of doom.
Oh,
Yeah.
come on.
Alright. It's a good thing I had the fire tunic of stripes on. Because if I didn't, I would burn in here like a big kahuna.
Oh god.
Yeah, I don't like burning like big kahunas. Martina, if you're watching this, I will go down backwards just for you to show you the path. And if you find your way, you will probably explode. So, as we climb seriously through the tunnel of the fires, we experience technical difficulties in eating fire. But, as we travel, my red fire tunic.
It's like walking sideways.
No! From Earth! Alright, folks, I'm in the tunnel. It looks kind of orange now.
Hi.
Hi, Peter.
Hello.
Alright, he's climbing. I'm alright, folks. We made it.
Weird way of getting up.
We made it. Ah.
Ow, my back.
Audience, we almost died there. Alright, where are we? Where are we? Alright, there's a slide.
I'm laying down
Where's
in the middle.
Peter? Oh, I'll show you.
Oh boy.
I can't wait.
I'm slowly sliding
Alright,
down.
audience. How's that Mr. Man on the parachute? Oh, I'll see you zooming in and out. I had it zoomed in.
Really?
Yeah. It's all good though. Alright, Peter.
The shoes.
He's climbing. He's almost there, folks.
Oh, my shoe! There! My shoe fell off.
Folks, this is called Operation Dive and Slide. Martina, I'll show you how you go down the slide backwards. Simply place your feet in the direction of Binky. Then what you want to do is go down, that's so. Do not smash your head, or maybe technical difficulties will be rocked. Alright, we're traveling now. Fixing my fire tunic, so I do not die. Alright, Peter, I'm coming. Martina was right, this is scary. Ready?
Alright.
The catch me?
Yeah, the catch.
Alright.
Ah! Your shirt looks black and white.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
No, it doesn't.
It does.
Oh, it does. Alright. Folks,
Uh-oh.
my fire tunic is saving.
No!
Here! Peter! Alright. Get a clear view, where do you want?
Let's just go.
Hello.
Down to the bottom.
Alright. This is very scary, folks. Remember, the fireballs of truth will save you from this tunnel.
Come on.
Which Martina has, because she is a gizzard. Sounds like I farted, but it's actually the slide being evil. And I made it.
Yeah.
And that's how you go down the slide backwards, Martina. Simple as that. Now we continue. Booger.
Yeah.
Peter climbs. It looks a lot darker. That's weird. Peter, standing out in the street, to only find that the darkness is taking over. Better watch out. Alright, Martina. That's up. Through the slide of the Sky Builders. 11 damage. There seems to be rain on the slide, which will help my grasp. I'm going in. Alright. I travel far and wide through the caves. Nobody knows when I'm coming up in that kind of nest. But the freaky fireballs of Nunu will help us escape.
Get man!
I've got him! Folks, Peter is up there. Say something, Peter!
Come on!
Okay.
Peter Rock!
Thank you. Oh, you're such a Peter. That rock is I just caught that rock, Peter. It's weird. This slide looks kind of like pink in this video. It's like colorblind.
Weird.
That's weird. Really weird. Ah! Are you killing me? Look at this obstacle course he's giving me. Throwing rocks one by one down the slide. Ah! The kind that makes you twist in your cheeks after eating a spicy burrito marinade bigger than your head. I gotta have that I see in your face. Some random guy over at me. Probably he's gonna be at the top, just punch me in the face, saying, "Get back in the fiery slide!" Get the fuck back in the fiery slide. Over! Hit you, audience. Go on! He's safe! Other hand, Peter.
Go on!
I almost made it. Folks, I'm gonna die. But if I do, then you guys will send me messages of birthday wishes. And if not, you guys will send me to me. I am safe. Look how high we are, folks. We are now in with the airplanes and parachute guys. And Peter. He's blind. If you guys want to learn sign language, here you go. EFGHIJKLMNOP QRSTUVWXZ. Okay. Alright. So we're here. And this guy's falling out. The parachute won't activate. That's okay. There's a cloud in the sky. There's another parachute coming to save the day. Here's an airplane. It's getting dark outside. This parachute guy's like, what the fuck? I can't even get out of here. His parachute's not working either. Whoa! Whoa! And then Peter's living. Yeah, you're blue.
Oh yeah, I like
Sorta.
blue. You're kind of blue too.
Maybe. And this guy in the parachute's like, my parachute works. I'm safe, guys. Okay. And this cloud's down. Okay. I think we should end off the video, Peter, with a song.
Okay.
Let's do it. Alright, folks. Back on the slide you go on our last video. Previously, batteries and episodes each sold separately. Hand on and enjoy the ride.
Okay.
Sure.
Okay.
Have fun, folks. We'll be playing instruments. Alright, what's that cool one I did before? Apparently this sounded cool. So,
Well, this one is your back. No. That's too rattly right now.
yeah, how about... Alright, it was just like... Don't do the same instrument as me. Do a different instrument. Alright. Ready, folks? We're gonna play instruments of the new resistance. So you, yourselves, will watch us play. I'm done.
Alright.
We're off course. It's and it goes on the second verse it goes.
Okay. Yeah.
And that was another Music for Active video with your host, Peter and Chris.
Yeah.
This video
has been brought to you by
Cultures!
Nice, good up there. Yeah. Let's start over.
Let's start over.
Okay.
Take two. This video has been brought to you by Vector! Eat them now and you'll get stronger! Yeah. See you later. I'm gonna stop that.
Click the button on the...
Oh, thank you. You're such a dear. See you later.